Hey everyone, good morning. It's going to be Monday morning by the time this one rolls around. But anyway, I have the November Sew Sampler here to show all of you. I did end up getting this on Friday. However, I prioritized my family this weekend as well as my quilting for my clients because Christmas is quickly approaching, you guys. And I lost 2 weeks because my machine went on the fritz 3 times. So I had the technician here 3 times. Anyway, I got a new machine. It's a 2-month-old floor model and it is running beautifully, so I cannot wait to get all of my customer quilts done. But anyway, yes, so I did not prioritize Sew Sampler this month. I'm so sorry. I will try to prioritize it next month and show you guys the spoilers, hopefully before you even get your boxes. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. Also, I want to say, if you want to stick around at the end of this video, I'll go ahead and show you. I have 3 quilts that I completed this weekend. Everything else has already been picked up that I completed last week. But they're really cool quilts, and I'm excited to show you. So I'll do that at the very end. I know some of you are just here for Sew Sampler and not necessarily my quilting. So go ahead and let's go ahead and dive in and see what's in this box, and then go ahead and stick around if you want to see those. All right, we have Winter Blooms, November 2024. And then we have 15% off Taylor Seville products, which we like a lot. We've actually gotten some of her kits in these boxes before. There's the free pattern that comes with this box. I will say that I think the last one, somebody said the last one was not free. It was actually part of a book that you had to purchase. So I can't promise that this will be free, but if it is, go ahead and scan that QR code. Okay, next we have the foldable insert that comes in the box. It shows us all of our content as well as the cost of each item. Let's see, I did pay, well, if I paid regular shipping, which is $4.95, I did pay $35.24, but then I paid the expedited shipping, which is like another $8. Anyway, so $35.24 is what this box was to ship to PA. So let's go ahead and go through the items. Okay, this first item, it might be like the coolest thing I've ever seen in Sew Sampler. So this says All-in-One Quilter's Reference Tool by C&T Publishing, retails for $16.98, which quite frankly, I just leafed through it a little bit, and this is a great value, $17 for this. Sorry. When your creativity is in full swing, don't let anything stop you. The All-in-One Quilter's Reference Tool from C&T Publishing has your backing with everything you need. Diagonal set, block charts, size charts, yardage charts, and even Y seam instructions. Let your quilting skills flourish with this fantastic tool. Okay, so let's see. It says expanded edition includes 20 additional pages with new quilt blocks, cutting charts, piecing techniques, and more. 100,000 of these have been sold. The go-to guide for quilters all around the world. It has top quilters, Harriet Hargrave, Sharon Craig, Alex Anderson, and Liz Onaleski. I don't know any of those actually, I'm so sorry. Anyway, this has, I did leaf through, and it actually has some blocks back here too, but it just has different instructions. So number of rectangles from specific yardage. That's pretty cool. So you don't have to sit there and do all the math. I don't know about you guys, but quilt math is not my strong suit at all, even though I'm an engineer. I don't want to do math anymore. I've done enough. Let's see, mitered border construction. And then there's various quilt blocks, so that's pretty neat. All right, so that's really neat. I really like this. I think this is really cool. Super handy. Here, if you want to see what all's inside, I'll just show you the table of contents. Hopefully you can see that. There is a glare. You guys see that? Okay, next we have these 4-inch Perfect Multi-Purpose Scissors by Karen K. Buckley. They retail for $20.98. The small Perfect Scissors from Karen K. Buckley make detailed cutting a total breeze. With knife edge, multi-purpose stainless steel blades, these little wonders slice sharply right to the tips. The comfort handles are ambidextrous, perfect for both righties and lefties. Ideal for precision cutting of template plastic, freezer paper, fabric, and fabric with fusible stabilizers. These scissors are your new crafting BFF. Okay, so first, I could do without scissors anymore in these Sew Samplers. I could probably go through and count how many scissors I have. I bet you it's 10 in the last almost 6 years I've been getting this box. So I'm good on scissors. Second, I don't think I would pay $21 for these. Just looking at them, I don't think that they're anything that special. I mean, I have precision tip scissors already anyway. But yeah, I mean, nothing, no offense to Karen K. Buckley, nothing too fancy about these. Okay, this next item we actually get as well, maybe like once or twice a year, and I'm okay with that. You can always use magic pins. They're just awesome. Every single one of them, except for the long arm pins, they're way too thick. The gauge is way too thick to go through my leaders. well, no, it goes through my leaders, but it leaves these huge gaping holes in my leaders and then subsequently the fabric that is attached to leaders, and I really don't like that. So if you're a long arm quilter, I would not recommend their long arm pins. Anyway, these retail for $2.48. It's just a sample pack. And this is by Taylor Seville. When you're sewing up a storm, these pins can take the heat. The sampler card of patchwork pins and extra long magic pins will be your new favorite for paper piecing. Well, it says piecing perfection. Ignore the paper part. They glide through fabric like butter. The comfy grip pinheads are a joy to hold, and yes, you can iron right over them. These are the ultimate pins for every project. And I really do love these, you guys. I think I have every single kind that they sell at this point. Whether it's from the Sew Sampler or ones that I purchased from Fat Quarter Shop myself, or actually even, I think maybe Amazon. I might have purchased some from there as well at one point. Okay, on to our pretty fabric here. This is Perennials Melody Fat Quarter Bundle by Beverly McCullough for Riley Blake Designs. Retails for $25.98, and I will go ahead and post the fabric swatches up here so that you can see the entire line. Anyway, it says winter may be on its way, but we're turning up the heat with Melody. This delightful collection by Beverly McCullough for Riley Blake Designs is buzzing with songbirds, butterflies, florals, and chic geometrics. These 9 fat quarters will brighten up your space and next quilt with a cheerful splash of all the prints and colors from the line. And I'm kind of okay with not getting like November themed fabrics just because they're probably going to be like browns and tans and oranges and reds, and those are all the colorways that I just really don't like. So I'm totally fine with getting kind of this like springtime floral fabric. I'll go ahead and just open it for you. And like I said, I will put the thing up here if you don't want to see the fabric. All right. So here we have a blue colorway. We have the pink colorway. Okay, another blue, but this is smaller flowers. Here we have the butterflies, and I do have to say, if you look closely, I find butterfly fabric to look cheap, in my opinion, for some reason. I'm not really a big fan of it, but I think these are really tastefully done. Okay, here's this kind of blender fabric, really like a peachy pink. Okay, we have kind of this stripy flower and the pink colorway with that one. And then we have a yellow basket weave to kind of tie it all in. All right, next up we have the Perennials quilt pattern. This retails for $9.98. Let's see, this one is by Fat Quarter Shop. All right, cute little flowers there. It says, your sewing room is the fertile ground for the Perennials quilt. With its vibrant, oversized blooms, it's an evergreen showstopper in any color scheme. This Fat Quarter friendly gem only needs 9 fat quarters. Pair it with the Melody bundle in this month's box for a colorful quilted garden. Limited finishing kits are available at Fat Quarter Shop. I'll go ahead and let you know down below if those are still available. And I'll also put all the links for all these items down in the description box below as well. So it looks like you just need your 9-piece Fat Quarter bundle here. There's a whole bunch of other fabrics that you require as well. And then this finishes at 82.5 by 82.5. So really nice, large size. I guess that would be a queen size quilt, really. All right, we are getting close. All right, we have Peaceful Baskets, block number 8. Feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on the Peaceful Baskets quilt. This sampler quilt draws in on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. In case you missed one, all Peaceful Basket block patterns will be available at the Fat Quarter Shop. They retail for $4.98. Okay, so if you like that one, go ahead and pick that up at Fat Quarter Shop. All right, so that's it for the box. Let me know down below what your favorite item was. Honestly, that book has to be my favorite item, hands down. I loved the box, but that book is really fantastic. All right, so I went ahead and totaled up the box contents on my handy dandy calculator. It came to $81.38. Remember, we paid $35.24. So that leaves us with $46.14 in savings. Definitely not the biggest box, probably not the smallest box. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and subscribe to this box, I do have a link for that below. I do have a link for that below down in the description box below. Can you tell that it's like 8 o'clock at night? Oh my gosh. Anyway, let me go ahead and show you those quilts. Okay, hopefully you can see this. Try not to get it on my flock tree. Super cute Christmas fabrics. Can you guys see that it's little Christmas trees on the quilt design? So this is Charlie. This is by Sugary Dew. There's like 2 other friends as well if you like this quilt. Okay. Charlie the robot. And this quilting is like crazy hard to see, but it's like I don't know, kind of like jaggedy things with circles. Just very kind of like geometric, kind of like sciencey really. I don't even know if you can see it. And then we have this log cabin quilt. And this has little dragonflies. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of easier to see on the back. She's got a black backing. So those are the 3 quilts that I just finished this weekend. So 3 down, 22 more to go. Wish me luck, everybody. I've got, well, I told everybody 4 to 5 weeks. So I've got 4 to 5 weeks to finish 22 more quilts. And not really, because some of them are due like tomorrow. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Have a great night or day. Have a great day.